everyone, my name is Amber Sargent and I'm going to be demonstrating the 2-plate aerobics activity that I have built for my lesson plan. So in order to complete this task, we're going to need 2 plates, and what I did was cut out the outside of the plate so that the plate is able to stay nice and flat on the ground in order to prevent it from sliding and causing injuries. So we have the 2 plates, and the students are going to place their feet on top of the plates, and the goal is to make sure that their feet stays on the plate while they complete the different types of moves that I will have them complete. So I'm going to demonstrate 3 of those moves, and the first one would be to simply march in place. They can speed this up, they can slow this down, whatever works for them. The goal is to make sure that they're staying in this area and on the plates. The second routine is going to be squat jumps. So they're going to squat, jump, squat, jump, squat, jump, squat, jump. And the last one is going to be high knee taps. So it's pretty much like jogging in place, but you're going to do high knees, and you're going to make sure that your hands tap your knees while doing that. So all right, thank you.